Web 3 is the next evolution of the Internet, and it's expected to bring a number of significant changes to how we interact with the web. Here are some of the key ways in which Web 3 is likely to change the Internet. Decentralization. One of the biggest changes that Web 3 is expected to bring is the shift towards a more decentralized Internet. Rather than relying on centralized servers and services, Web 3 is built on decentralized technologies like blockchain and peer-to-peer networks, which are more resistant to censorship and control. Improved privacy and security. Web 3's decentralized architecture is also expected to improve privacy and security. Because data is stored on a distributed network rather than a central server, it's much harder for hackers and other malicious actors to compromise the system. New business models. Web 3 is expected to open up new business models that are more transparent, decentralized, and equitable. For example, blockchain-based smart contracts could enable automated, trustless transactions between parties, and decentralized marketplaces could empower content creators to earn a fairer share of the value they create. Interoperability. Web 3 is also expected to promote interoperability between different blockchain-based networks and applications. This could enable a more seamless and integrated web experience, where users can move their digital assets and identities across different platforms and services. Overall, Web 3 has the potential to bring a number of significant changes to the Internet, from improved privacy and security to new business models and decentralized infrastructure, new user experiences. Web 3 is expected to enable new types of user experiences that were previously impossible on the web. For example, virtual and augmented reality applications could provide more immersive experiences, while the metaverse could provide a shared, persistent space for social interactions and commerce. Empowerment of individuals. Web 3 has the potential to empower individuals by giving them more control over their data and digital assets. With decentralized identity solutions, individuals can own and control their digital identity and choose which applications and services can access their data. Openness and transparency. Web 3 is expected to be more open and transparent than the current web. Decentralized networks are designed to be transparent and auditable, and smart contracts are publicly verifiable. This could help promote greater trust and accountability on the web. New opportunities for innovation. Web 3 is expected to open up new opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship. Developers can build on open protocols and standards, and create new applications and services that can interact with each other through decentralized networks. This could lead to a more diverse and dynamic ecosystem of applications and services. Overall, Web 3 has the potential to bring about a number of exciting changes to the Internet. While the technology is still in its early stages, it's clear that Web 3 has the potential to be a transformative force in the years to come.